Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If you want to change your Facebook profile without posting and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's get started. Start by opening your Facebook for that. And the thing you need to understand is if you want to change your Facebook profile without posting, there is no such way directly, but we just need to go over and instead change the privacy settings. So for that, once you head over to Facebook, look out for your profile and tap on it. And then once you look out for your profile, once you reach over to your profile page, look out for the camera icon and select it. And then you can select the option of adding images from your device. So you can just go over and either upload a photo or click a picture at the moment and upload one. So you just need to do so. Just go over and select one. And once you're okay with the profile picture, you just need to tap on the save option at the very top and ensure the share to your news feed option is turned on and tap on save. Once it happens save, you just need to wait for some certain seconds and scroll down and wait for the profile picture to be uploaded. It may take some seconds for that to happen. And once your profile picture is uploaded like this, you just need to look out for the three dot at the top and select it. And once you select it, you can select the option of editing the privacy. So tap on edit privacy. And after you do so, you need to select the audience from public to only you, the very last option. After that, just go over and tap on save. And when you do that, now the profile picture's privacy will be changed and your profile picture will be uploaded without even being posted and only you will be able to see it. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. If you want to change your profile picture without posting, this is the method you can follow, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.